Okay, for volume of a sphere, or volume of a ball, so volume is always three-dimensional, and we're dealing with circle parts, so it's going to be pi r cubed, but it's really 4/3 pi r cubed. So let's just go ahead and do it. 4/3 times 3.14, and your radius is going to be cubed. Now for my calculator, you can just do 4/3, parentheses 3.14, and then 3 cubed. 1 point, and that is so not right, 113.04 inches cubed. And that's basically all there is to it. So 4/3 pi r cubed, 4/3 3.14. Radius is not 24, it is 12. 7234.56 millimeters cubed. Word problem, no biggie. Wants the volume of a sphere, so 4/3 pi r cubed. Five 572.45 yards cubed.